Welcome to my channel. For today, I will be doing a makeup look to match my red nails. It's gonna be red and burgundy themed. I just want to show you the new nail set that I got. Again, this is from Almond nail bar. I'm using the magic polish. I did like a red themed nails just because I was feeling like more of a holiday vibe, and BB did this one. She did add like gold foil on it and some diamonds. So I'm very happy with my new set, and that's why I decided to create a look to match my new nails. So let's begin. I'm gonna put some lip balm on my lips first. I'm just gonna use like a tad bit because I'm thinking of doing red lips later. For my foundation, I will be using this ColourPop No Filter Foundation. I'm just gonna do like one pump, and that is usually enough for me. So that is done. Just one pump and it was enough to cover my whole face. I'm just gonna blend it more using my fingertips. The next thing that I will do would be the brows, and I will be using the KVD Brow Stroke Dimension Powder in Walnut. Just gonna do my tail first. And I'm just gonna use this brush to kind of soften it out. Okay, that looks better. Not a lot of harsh lines there. And now it's time to do my eyes. I will be using this Kylie XOXO, the burgundy palette. That's how it looks like on the back. It's very pretty packaging. So this is how it looks like. Very beautiful colors, and they are so very pigmented like all the other Kylie products. I will be using mainly this eyeshadow palette. So let's start off with the base. I will be using this shade. This is the shade Beach as my base. I'm loving this already. I love this color. Next one is, I will be using this shade on the outer corner here. So that is the burgundy shade. I'm just gonna do that here and just gonna pack it in. Ooh. See how pigmented that is? Yeah, love it. Alright, and then I will be using this shade. This is the Almond shade for the middle part, just to bring the color in. I'm just gonna use a fluffier brush to blend it all out. And then I will be using this lighter color. This is the Penny shade for the inner corner. And the last one that I will be using is this LA shade. Ooh, I like that shimmer. I'm just gonna blend it out again for a softer look. So this is sort of like a burgundy smoky eye look. I'm just gonna add some color for my bottom lashes. I will be using the Almond shade again for the bottom one. So that kind of blends in the color with the eye, so it's a red color as well. And then for the inner one, I will be using like a browner shade, this peach color. Okay. So far, I'm really loving this eye look right now. So the next step is the eyeliner. So I will be using the Rare Beauty eyeliner. I'm still not an expert with applying eyeliner, so bear with me. I will be really trying my best. That's not bad at all. I think that's good enough. If I apply more, I will end up applying the whole eyeliner on the whole eyelid. So I better stop now. And the next step is the mascara. So I will be using the Benefit They're Real mascara. Like honestly, I love the applicator in this mascara because it just coats every lash and it doesn't give you clumpy eyelashes. I'm thinking of doing my lower lashes as well. So my eyes are done. I want to use like a more muted blush, not like a red blush, because I want to go bolder on the eyes and on the lips. So I'm thinking of using this shade, Naked Shade, as my blush. Hopefully, let's see. Yep, that is the... I just want to use like a lighter color, nothing too bright. Eyeshadow can work as a blush too. Just to add some color to my cheeks. And then I will be using the Penny shade as a highlighter. For the contour, I will be using this shade on my nose bridge. I think that's good. And then just gonna apply some highlighter here. So to finish off my look, I will be using this Sephora lipstick. It comes in this shade, which I think is a little bit similar to my nail color and the earrings that I'm wearing right now. This is the number 20 shade, I think. Look at this bright red color. Let's give it a try. Oh wow. Yeah. I love it. Yes. See that? Oh my gosh, that is a little bit close. It's not so bright, but it is like a deep red. I think this is like a sexy red color. And I love how it glides on smoothly too. It's like a buttery kind of texture. And it smells good. I haven't used the Sephora lipstick in such a long time. Too shocking, you know. It's like a scandalous red color that I don't really know if I can pull off while wearing a white coat at work. Why am I even gonna wear makeup these days when I'm mostly using a mask? You know, I like playing with my makeup right now because, well, we're in a lockdown. I really have nothing much to do. Can't really go out, and all my makeup's getting wasted or just like stuck, not being used. So what better time to play with makeup, right? This is the finished look. Let me know what you think. So I think it really matches my earrings and also my nail color, right? And if you have any suggestions on any other looks or makeup challenges that I should try, comment them down below. So thanks for watching and for joining me while I create this red burgundy themed look that really matches my nails and the earrings that I have. I really think that this look is perfect for the holidays and also if you're going out on a date. Like, to be honest, I haven't really used like red eyeshadow shades before because I lean more towards the orange and the brown ones, but you know what, this is not so bad at all. If you enjoyed this video, please give this a big thumbs up. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure that you click the subscribe button with the notification bell all so that you will always be updated with every new post that I have. Again, thanks for watching and see you in my next vlog.